Good day. This is my video in outcome-based assessment midterm. And meron dito tatlong katanungan, which is, what recommendation can you make with regards to the three issues and concern of information technology in the hospitality industry? And how can business owner manager ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees? And last, identify three security tools that are ideal in keeping the tools and technology in the hospitality industry. Explain which department in the hotel the said security tools will be useful and how. Ito po pala ang sagot ko sa question number 1, which is data security and privacy. Use AI-driven threat detection to monitor and prevent cyber attacks in real time. Implement biometric authentication, fingerprints or facial recognition for staff and guests logins to enhance security. Create backup plan and disaster recovery plans to protect data and cyber incidents or system failures. Limit data access to only authorized personnel using role-based access controls. Conduct regular security audits to identify and fix vulnerabilities before they become major threats. And ito pala yung sagot ko sa question number 2, which is provide clear policies and guidelines. Develop standards operating procedures or SOP for each business tools and ensure employees understand its purpose. Set clear rules and expectation on how tools should be used, including security measures and ethical considerations. Restrict access level based on job roles to prevent misuse. And lastly, ito po ang sagot ko sa question number 3, which is endpoint security software, antivirus, and device protection. How it useful? Protects computer and mobile devices used by staff from malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Ensure that POS or point of sale system in restaurant and gift shops remains secure. Safeguards financial transaction and prevents credit card fraud. Example tool: McAfee Endpoint Security and Symantec Endpoint Protection. Access Control System or biometric or keycard entry. How it useful? Restricts unauthorized access to staff-only areas such as storage room, offices, and server rooms. Ensure only authorized employees can enter sensitive areas like the finance office or IT room. Can be integrated with smart lock in guest rooms, improving security and convenience. Example tool: Honeywell Access Control Casey Smart Locks. Employee monitoring and activity logging software. How it useful? Tracks employee logins and activity on business software to prevent unauthorized access or data leaks. Helps HR monitor attendance and productivity, ensuring proper use of company devices. Alerts management to suspicious behavior such as unauthorized data transfers or logging attempts. Example tool: TerraMind or ActiveTrack.